Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to install Bloons TD6 game on PC, and this is for the Epic Games users. So open the Epic Games launcher and then in search store search for a Bloons TD6 and then click on this base game Bloons TD6, and here you will see the game is absolutely free. The sales will end on 15th January 2026. So click on this get button. Just wait, your order is loading, and then click on place order. Now you will see this view in library button, so click on it, and here you can see Bloons TD6 game is added to your library. Now click on install. Again click on install button. Click yes to allow. And here you can see Bloons TD6 game is installing on my PC. You can also click on this arrow icon. And here you can see Bloons TD6 game is getting installed on my PC. So by following these steps, you can easily install Bloons TD6 game for free until 15th January 2026 in Epic Games launcher. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.